All right, so we're here. Coronavirus, quarantine. We don't even need to talk about it anymore. But we're having fun, working from home, and cooking food. So let me show you what my little gourmet chef made. Say hello. Hello. She's very excited. Check out what she just made from scratch today. These are, I don't know, what's the name? How do you say it? Hold on. What's the name? How do you say it? Hold on. She's going to tell you right now. Come over here so people can see. They have a lot of questions. Come over here. What do you call this? What is it called? Pequeño. Okay, which is what? What's inside here? Tell us.
Cheese or chicken.
Cheese
Or chicken.
or chicken or what else?
Whatever you want to do.
Oh shit. Or pepperoni. Pepperoni? She's not talking. I'm trying to explain this. Baby, tell them what's in here. Okay, she doesn't want to talk. All right, so we got, she made this homemade dough, which has either chicken, pepperoni, or cheese, or you can combine all three. It is amazing. Amazing. Look at this. Absolutely amazing food. And then this is a homemade hot sauce. Little hot sauce. Very hot, but excelente. And you stick it right on top of here like this. This is all homemade. We're making this she's making this at home. I think this had, what does this have? Cheese and pepperoni? Cheese and pepperoni. Wow, look at that. Wow. Wow! If you guys are interested, I'll tell you exactly how to do it, how she made it, and at the same time, I'll show you how to make money online, working from home, selling products and services online during the coronavirus while you're sitting at home on your ass during the quarantine lockdown. Water. It's not infected with the virus, and this is fresh, filtered water. I do this like every 2 to 3 days. I gotta fill up these bottles with fresh, non-coronavirus water, okay? Yeah, so we're hanging out here in Mexico, in the Caribbean, right down the road from a drop-dead gorgeous beach that we can't even go to right now because they closed it down until, I think, like May 18th. And then I think everything's going to go back to normal, hopefully, by the end of May. But right now, it's still the last week of April. It's April 24th. But look, check it out. We're being creative. We're watching some really cool videos and movies and making some videos online and doing some marketing and advertising. And I'm selling my online consulting and mentoring products and services and selling products on Digistore and Amazon and all over the place. And listen, I'm just going to say this, man. While you're sitting at home during the coronavirus scare and the quarantine, you got to learn how to make money on the internet. If you're not making money right now, you're losing millions of dollars. I don't want to sound mean or I'm from New Jersey. I grew up in New Jersey. I spent 14 years in New York City under the grind, and I've done everything. I've hustled my ass off my whole life. And I'm telling you right now, the easiest way to make money is on the internet. The easiest way. And I'll teach you how to do that. But check this out. I got a little barbecue out back here. And I'm going to make a homemade Italian pizza. I just made a homemade pizza pan out of aluminum foil with a pizza pan top, like a brick oven. Here's the top, right? Check it out. Is that cool or what? And we're gonna put the pizza in there, and then we're gonna put that on top, and I'm gonna cook a pizza right on the barbecue here, either tonight or tomorrow, and I'll take a video and I'll show you how to do it, all right? There you go, my homemade, in the Caribbean, Mexico, homemade pizza, barbecue, and grill. And I'm gonna show you how to do it. And at the same time, how about I show you my simple system I've been using. Now, I just created a brand new system because of what's going on with the coronavirus. Everybody's scared, everybody's in fear, nobody wants to spend any money. But I got news for you. Out of thousands of people that watch my Instagram and Facebook and YouTube and TikTok and Google and LinkedIn and Twitter, out of thousands of people, let's just say out of 1,000 people, I'm looking for about 10%, 100 people that I can teach how to do this. Post one ad, sell the number one product, post one ad. Step 2, sell the number one product in the world that every human being needs to survive right now and make money. How about $100 to $500 a day just to get started in the first couple of days, and in the first 30 days, I'll get you up to $3,000 a week. $3,000 a week or more. You like that idea? Click on the link in the description below. Send me your information. Let me get on the phone with me live. I do it live. I show you how to do it live. But let's keep watching these videos here, and let's make some pizza, but let's make some money while you're sitting on your ass at home anyway. Right? And we also have some beer, which is Corona. And today I'm using it as my breast titty mask. I'm going to get more Corona. And we also have some fun Corona hats that we can wear when we go out with the stupid coronavirus. It just makes things kind of fun, and this is how I go shopping to buy food and drinks and stuff like that, which I'm going to go here in a minute. And we put on our little mask, and we're good to go. All right? I'm protected. I'll see you. Right now, and everybody's sending me a lot of questions and comments. What am I doing? How am I making money? Where am I? Well, I just told you I'm in the Caribbean in Mexico. But I think the best thing to do right now, guys, just so you know, this is going to go away really soon. And if you have not been preparing and planning for what's going to happen after this stupid coronavirus, right, you're out of your mind. That's the most stupidest thing you could ever do. Not planning and preparing and actually taking action and doing something different. So the number one thing that I can tell you to do right now is this. Somebody said, hey, what should I do with my money? Should I hold my money? Should I save my money? What should I do? The number one thing to do right now is this, and one of my old-time multi-millionaire mentors from 35 years ago told me this one thing: cash is king. Cash is king. Whenever there's fear, when everybody's freaking out, when there's fear in the world, people are scared, the stock market is crashing, real estate is crashing, and there's a virus, cash is king. For example, I would take all your cash out of the bank. So if you have a little crappy bank account, like a checking or savings account with Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Citibank, SunTrust, Charles Schwab, any bank account right now is sucking you dry. You're losing money every day. I would take literally every dollar out of the bank right now if you're not making at least 10% on your money monthly. Yes, that is correct. I just said 10% on your money monthly. In fact, if you're not making 10% interest on your money daily, I would take your money out of the bank because you're losing money every day. Cash is king right now. Number 2, I would call all of your credit cards. Your credit cards are owned by banks. Call the banks. Call Chase. Call Bank of America. Call Wells Fargo. Call Citibank. Call TD Bank. Call whoever your bank is with your credit card, Visa and MasterCard, and tell them you want a higher credit limit. Because what did I just say? Number 1, cash is king. Get as much credit available as you can over the next couple of weeks, so when the whole coronavirus is over with, you have a lot of credit available. So I would ask them to raise your credit limit by 4 times. Really? No, I'm serious. I'm not kidding. So let's say you have a Visa card or an American Express card or a Discover card. Call them, okay, and say, hey, what's my credit limit? They're gonna say your credit limit is $5,000. I would ask them to raise that to $20,000 right now because the banks are giving out money like crazy right now. Remember, Washington, D.C., Donald Trump and the whole government, the U.S. Treasury, they passed many bills over the last couple of weeks. They are sending U.S. surplus checks and sending money to people. And they're also telling the banks to give you more money. They're bailing out the airlines. They're bailing out the restaurants. They're bailing out the businesses. They're bailing out everybody. So why don't you get bailed out? Call the banks and ask for a higher credit limit. Absolutely, I would do that right now. If you don't, you're a fool. Get prepared to be prepared for when this thing is over with. And then the third thing I would do, lastly, just real quick here, you can do this all in one day to prepare yourself to have more money, cash available when this whole thing is over with. Because you might not have a job. Most people will not go back to their old job. And even if you do, they're going to pay you probably 30 to 50% less than when they were paying you because there's no business. There's nothing. And there won't be any business for several months. We're talking right now, April, May, June, July. It's going to take 3, 4 to 6 months to get things really moving again in the economy. And that's worldwide, guys. So the third thing I would do right now is this, okay? I would absolutely go back to zero. Go, live your life and live your business. Run your whole life like you have no money, nothing, zero. You have nothing. So that means don't splurge on anything. I would put all the money, in fact, whatever cash you have, I would take it out of the bank. I would take a cash advance off all your credit cards. I would bury it in the ground and just prepare so when this whole thing is over with, you are ahead of the game because 99% of the people will not do this, okay? This is what you need to do. Cash is king. What did I say? Cash is king. Get as much cash as you can. Get as much credit as you can. Pull the cash off your credit cards and just kind of wait. And then we're going to invest that money into an online business, real estate, when real estate comes back, because it's dead right now. Nobody's buying anything, right? But we're going to put this money into an online business, which I'm going to teach you how to do in the next video. So hang on, keep going, don't stop, keep watching my videos. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and make a comment. Tell me what you want to hear. I'll tell you whatever you need to hear because I've been running 17, 18 businesses for the last 35 years, and I'm still going strong. Even during the coronavirus, staying at home under quarantine, I'm still doing okay. We're making money every day. I'll see you soon.